Hello all, welcome to Constructing Minds. Today we will understand the topic Cartesian product of sets. Let us start with an example. If suppose we visit a shopping mall, then we go to shops and we choose things we want to buy. So we choose and then we buy. We follow a specific order. Let's understand ordered pair. An ordered pair is a pair of objects with an order associated with them. Now, if we have any two elements x and y, then we write ordered pair as x, y enclosed within brackets. Now, if suppose in that shop we bought a shirt for 1000 rupees, we can write that as bracket shirt, 1000. A bag for 2000, so we write bag, 2000, and cap for rupees 500, so we write cap, 500. So in this ordered pair, the first entry is of item and the second entry is of price. Note that we cannot write that first entry as price and second entry as item. So the ordered pair item, price is different from the pair price, item. We have to follow a specific order. Now any two ordered pairs AB and CD are equal if and only if the first entry A is equal to the corresponding first entry C and B is equal to D. Let us see this question. If x plus 1, y minus 2 is equal to 3, 1, we have to find the values of x and y. Now since the ordered pairs are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. So the first entry x plus 1 is equal to 3 and y minus 2 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2, and y is equal to 1 plus 2, which is 3. Now I hope ordered pairs are clear. Now let us understand Cartesian product of sets. Now let us go back to our example of mall. Now suppose we visit the food court and we want to buy a sandwich. So we went to a shop and we have two options in breads. One is white and one is brown bread. And we have the fillings available as potato, paneer and cheese. So the options will be white bread potato sandwich, white bread paneer sandwich, white bread cheese sandwich, brown bread potato sandwich, brown bread paneer sandwich and brown bread cheese sandwich. So we can write them as white, potato, white, paneer, white, cheese, brown, potato, brown, paneer, brown, cheese. So in all we have these 6 choices for sandwiches. Same is the case with Cartesian products. Let us go to the formal definition. Given any two non-empty sets P and Q, the Cartesian product P cross Q is the set of all ordered pairs of elements from P and Q. That is, P cross Q is set of all P, Q, where P belongs to the first set capital P and Q second entry belongs to the second set capital Q. So let us see this example. If you have a set of two colors red and green and set B of bag, cap and shirt, then we have red bag, red cap, red shirt and green bag, green cap and green shirt. So in ordered pairs we can write red, bag, red, cap, red, shirt, green, bag, green, cap and green, shirt. You can see this diagram. We have all these 6 ordered pairs. So in general, if you have a collection A of 2 entries A1 and A2 and set B of 3 entries B1, B2, B3, then you have 6 ordered pairs A1, B1, A1, B2, A1, B3, A2, B1, A2, B2 and A2, B3. So A cross B will be collection of all these AIs, BJs. Let us see this question. If P is equal to ABC and Q is equal to singleton R, We have to form the sets P cross Q and Q cross P. Also check whether these two are equal or not. Now if P is ABC and Q is R, then we have A goes to R. So for P cross Q we have ordered pair A comma R, B comma R and C comma R. So we have these three entries. Now for Q cross P we have R comma A, R comma B, R comma C. Now by definition of ordered pairs, note that AR is not equal to RA. So P cross Q will not be equal to Q cross P. Now if A is equal to set -1 1, we have to find A cross A cross A. For any non-empty set A cross A will be ordered triplet A comma B comma C, where ABC belongs to A. This ABC is called ordered triplet. Now given that A is equal to -1 comma 1, we have A which is -1 and 1. We have to find A cross A cross A. So -1, first A I have marked in yellow color, second A I have marked in blue, third I have marked in red. So first -1 will go to -1, which will go to -1 and 1. So we get the first two entries. The next two entries will be -1, which will go to 1, and which will again go to -1 and 1. Now the first yellow one will go to blue -1, which will go to -1 and 1, and last yellow one will go to blue one, which will again go to -1 and 1. So we will get that A cross A will be collection of these elements. Now if suppose number of elements in A is P and number of elements in B is Q, then number of elements in A cross B will be P into Q. So suppose we have this question again, that P is equal to ABC and Q is equal to singleton R, and we have to find the number of elements in P cross Q. We have already calculated the set P cross Q, which was this set AR, BR and CR. Now the number of elements will be number of elements in P into number of elements in Q. Number of elements in P is 3 and number of elements in Q is 1. So we get 3 into 1, which is 3. By definition also we have seen there are 3 elements. Next question, if you have two sets A and B such that number of elements in A is 3 and number of elements in B is 2, and if x comma 1, y comma 2 and z comma 1 are in A cross B, then we have to find A and B where x, y, z are distinct elements. Let us see the solution. Now we know that in A cross B, A is the set of first elements of ordered pairs and B is the set of second elements in ordered pair. So x, y and z are in A and 1 and 2 are in B. Now we know that number of elements in A is 3 and number of elements in B is 2. So A is equal to the set x, y, z and B is the set equal to 1 and 2. Thank you for watching this video.